We are going to use this Romanesco cabbage to prepare the sauce for pasta. Once you have separated all the flowers, you have to chop them in half and blanch in boiling water. After 2 minutes, they are ready. Check if they are done. Okay. The cabbage now is ready to be used for our sauce. That will be very easy, very simple, but very rich of flavor. We are going to use anchovies, garlic, cabbage, thyme. First, we drop the pasta. It will be 100 grams per person. Then we start preparing the sauce. In a hot pan, we add garlic and anchovies. And once the anchovies are melted, we add the cabbage. Stir frying for a couple of minutes, just to put the flavors together. Season with salt and black pepper. When the pasta is al dente, drain it and toss with the sauce. Olive oil and pecorino cheese. Serve the pasta with bits of cabbage and finish with extra virgin olive oil and a sprig of thyme. And these are our spaghetti with Romanesco cabbage.